What's going on, everyone? Brian here from Native Instruments. In this tutorial, I'll be going over how to find and load your instruments and effects by Native Instruments inside of Cubase. I have a blank Cubase project open and I want to load my first instrument. I'll click the plus sign here and select Instrument. I'll then click the drop-down and go to Native Instruments. Don't worry if you don't see everything you installed from Native Access in this list. Some of the instruments you installed, like Cloud Supply, are Kontakt Instruments. Kontakt is a sampler and is used to run many NI instruments. If you haven't yet, make sure you install Kontakt from Native Access, as you won't be able to load some of the instruments without it. I'll select Kontakt and click Add Track. As you can see in Kontakt's browser, these are all of the Kontakt libraries I've installed from Native Access. The list on the right is currently showing me all of the presets across all of my Kontakt instruments. You can either filter by type of sound, character, brand, or select an individual library in the browser below. Let's load the Play Series instrument Cloud Supply. I'll click Cloud Supply, and now the presets list on the right is only showing me presets for Cloud Supply. When clicking on any of these, we hear a preview of what it sounds like. I'll just double-click, and now the sound is loaded. If you want a different sound or instrument, click the Library button, select a new instrument or preset, and double-click to load. For a more detailed overview of Kontakt, check out the How to Use Everything in Kontakt video, which is linked below. Let's load up Massive X now. I'll click the plus sign again, go to Native Instruments, Synth, and select Massive X and select Add Track. Now that Massive X is loaded, we can hear some sound. If you want to change the preset, click the preset name at the top, and you can select from a wide range of sound categories and then select another preset. Depending on what you've purchased, there are Massive X expansions, which are additional packs of presets specifically for Massive X. Those you can find by clicking here and selecting the expansion you'd like. Also, check out the How to Use Everything in Massive X to learn the ins and outs of this synth. Let's get some drums in here. I'll follow the same process adding an instrument, but this time I'm going to select battery. The browser on the left is where all of the battery kits are located. Double-click on any of the kit names to load a drum kit into battery. The last thing I want to add to my instruments are some effects, and one of my personal favorite reverbs I'll load is ROM. I'll select the Kontakt track, and in the inspector area, go down to Inserts and click the first available slot. I'll select Native Instruments, Reverb, and then ROM. Even the default ROM setting sounds great. From here, you can tweak the knobs to customize how the effect sounds, or you can choose from a wide range of presets. Click the preset name at the top, Factory Presets, and select a reverb category like Creative, and then select one of the presets. After creating some music using your instruments and effects, you may want to master your track to get it sounding as loud and clean as possible. That's where Ozone comes in. I'll show the lower zone and select Mix Console. Click the Inserts icon. Under Stereo Out, I'll click an Insert slot, go to Isotope, Mastering, and Ozone. Select from a wide range of mastering presets for different cases like depth and clarity in all-purpose mastering, or genre-specific chains. Or you can use Ozone's Master Assistant. Play back the loudest part of your track, and Ozone will create a custom mastering chain specifically for your track. If you want to know more about Ozone and the mastering process, we also have a How to Use Everything in Ozone, which is linked below. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of how to find your instruments and effects inside of Cubase. For a more detailed overview of each individual instrument, make sure you check out our product walkthrough tutorials. Thanks for watching.